Halo, halo, Hakim.
Halo,
Oke, suaramu sudah terdengar jelas ya. Oh, iya, iya, nggak pakai lah. Lagi di luar kota ya, Hakim ya? Oke, I see. Okay, so for today, Hakim, yeah, maybe we're gonna continue to learn about still continue the last topic, yeah, Hakim, yeah. Do you still remember the last topic we learned?
oh, masih eksponen.
Exponent. I actually already moved to algebra ya. Hakim ya, so how you can substitute the value ya if the variable is known ya, as mentioned the uh, the value-nya ya for each letternya or variables, and then Hakim need to substitute into the expression to find what will be the resultnya ya. Oke, yep. So kalau di sekolah Hakim, topiknya tentang apa nih?
Eh, Masih ngebahas yang indeks law sih, Miss.
Oh, masih index flow ya. Oke, so gonna continue. I'm just gonna send the link ya for Hakim. So Hakim, ya like always, I mean, yeah, you're gonna start to do some practice first, ya, the quiz, ya, based on the topic that we learned before nih, ya, from Wayground. Okay, you can open the link and also share the screen ya, Hakim ya. Then we can discuss it after you answer all the question ya. Is it possible using handphone nih, Hakim, to do the quiznya?
Nggak bisa di-share, Miss.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna share from my screen aja ya, Hakim ya. I'm just gonna share from my screen so Hakim can uh, answer it to it. Okay, so just uh, solve it from my screen. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna start. Okay, so basically Hakim need to substitute yeah, all of this value into the expression. And what will be the result Hakim get for this substituting into this expression? Yeah.
Statistik.
46. Okay, let's we answer it first. Nanti kita bahas. Okay, that must be a correct answer ya, Hakim ya. What about this, Hakim?
40, Miss.
40, okay. Okay. What about this, Hakim?
$38.
38, okay. Yeah, so you also gonna need to substitute C-nya ya, which equals to 8. Okay. Okay, so also for this expression nih Hakim ya, when P-nya equals to 6, yeah, what will be the value, yeah, or you need to evaluate this expression. Of course, you need also consider the order of operation ya, don't forget ya Hakim ya.
Nine.
Okay, and what will be the value for B, yeah? If we know the expression is 16 plus 36 divided by B.
$25.
Okay, correct, yeah, Hakim, yeah. Okay, yes, for this expression, when F-nya equals to 4.
Wait. 38, Miss.
Okay, when G-nya equals to 4, yeah, Hakim, yeah. Also need consider the order of operation, yeah, since it's already mixed operation, yeah, Hakim. There is a plus, minus, and division, yeah. So Hakim need to careful on the stepsnya, yeah.
14.
14, ya. Okay. Thirteen. Okay. Yes, it's also correct, yeah, Hakim, yeah. Okay, now we have an exponents here. Yeah, Hakim can evaluate the expression, which we know x squared minus x. Yeah, when x-nya equals to x, yeah, what will be the value-nya nih, or the result-nya, Hakim?
Um,
Hmm? What is it again, Hakim?
30.
Okay. What about this?
1.
1, okay. Yes. Gonna to the next question here, Hakim. Yeah, evaluate this expression 14 plus x divided by 2 when x equals to 2.
16.
16 ya, Hakim ya. Okay, when x-nya equals to 4, it's gonna be 16. Okay, that's correct ya, Hakim.
Negative 59.
Okay, yes, Hakim ya. And then, okay, so it's already involved two variable here, which is x and y ya, Hakim ya. So you need to substitute into these two expression ya, into these two variables ya, Hakim ya, x and also y-nya.
-4.
Okay, -4. Okay.
-17.
-17. Okay. Okay, yes, correct, yeah, Hakim, yeah. Now it's involved three variables, yeah. So you need to substitute into each variables, yeah. When y, no, three, it's two, yeah, two variables, yeah. When y-nya equals to 4 and z-nya is 2. Yeah, Hakim, what is it again? Sorry for this.
-40.
Okay, 40.
-22.
Okay. When A-nya equals to 3, B-nya equals to 4, C-nya equals to C, ya, Hakim, ya. What will be the value for BC plus 5A?
-49.
Okay, and the last answer, you need to fill it with the number nih, Hakim.
-40, Miss.
40, wait, 40 ya. Okay, all done. Correct ya, Hakim, ya. So I think Hakim already mastering nih how to substitute into the equation. Yeah, basically what you need to remember is when you do the substituting ya atau substitute ya, the letternya or the variabelnya by the number, you should consider the number of operation. Yeah, Hakim ya. Yeah, for example, for number 1 here, Hakim can answer it correctly. So that means, yeah, instead of, as you can see, you need to substitute it first. When you substitute, yeah, the letternya, Hakim need to multiply it by the coefficientnya. Yeah, so 4H means 4 times 9, yeah. And you need to multiply it first, yeah, instead of add by another number here. So for H 36 kan ya, plus 2G 2 times 3 6 plus 4 ya. So yeah, 36 plus 6 42 plus 4 46 ya. Okay, yes, this is also same. Nah, this is when you need to consider the division ya. You need to solve it first instead of minus here ya, instead of minus and plus. So basically Hakim need to substitute it first. It's okay, 5z mean 5 times 8 kan, it's gonna be 40, and then minus 20 divided by 2 is 10, plus z equals to 8. And then whenever you already find all the value nya, I mean it's already become all numbers ya Hakim ya, you can start from left to right ya to finish this operation. So you need to minus it first, yeah, 40 minus 10 equals to 30, and then plus it by 8. Okay, that's correct, yeah, Hakim, yeah. So there's nothing difficult question here, I think, yeah. So we can just continue into the other lesson nih. I mean the other challenging question. Okay, the last thing we already solved. Wait. Okay, we see the other question. Yeah, Kim. Last time we already done substitution also, yeah. Now if we find the book. Okay, so wait, substitution. Oh yeah. Okay. Next, we're gonna do some question from this book, yeah, Hakim, yeah. Okay, we can start for number 6 here, nih, Hakim, yeah. Okay, so as you can see over here, nih, Hakim is already shown, yeah, on your screen. We're gonna do some practices from the booknya nih, Hakim, ya. So we start from number As you can see, yeah, it's already shown nih Hakim for number 6. Hello Hakim, can you hear me?
No.
Oh, okay, so Hakim, we're gonna continue, yeah, for practicing, yeah, since you already can do the previous problem, yeah, great, yeah, which is the result also good. We're gonna do the next question nih, Hakim. Yeah, as you can see here, is it already mentioned? It's already shown, yeah, Hakim. Yeah, for number 6. Okay, so it said this is a part of Malik's homework. Work out the value of each expression when x equals to -4 and y equals to -1. As we see the expression here, nih Hakim, yeah, the expression here will be xy squared minus 3x, and the other expression here, x cubed minus x over 2y. So Hakim can solve for part A first nih, yeah. What will be the value for the expression, yeah, if it substitute, if the value of x here equals to, okay. Wah, ini jawabannya berapa nih Hakim? Ini tulisan Hakim, sorry aku kurang. Nilai berapa nih yang Hakim tulis? Oh, 8. Oke, sorry, sorry. Oke, it's 8 ya Hakim ya. Oke, can you explain a bit nih Hakim, the order of operation ya? I mean, when you substitute ya x and y-nya, what you do first nih Hakim on part A-nya? Hmm? Can you explain me step by stepnya Hakim, what you do first to substitute nih? I mean the operationnya, what you gonna do first when uh got the answernya equals to 8?
Uh, oh, equals negative 4 times negative 1 power of 2 minus 3 times negative 4
Okay.
becomes negative 4 times 1 minus 3 times negative 4. So negative 4 minus negative 12 equals to 8.
Okay, so Hakim just substitute negative 4 over here, and then of course with negative 1 ya, because there is a square here, so Hakim need to put the power here ya. So negative 3x-nya equals to negative 4. Okay, let's we see here. So for this operation, Hakim times it first, negative 4 or with negative 1 or square it first nih Hakim. Or solve the powernya first or exponentnya.
Next one,
Ya,
next one,
exponent first. Okay. So negative 1 square equals to negative 1 square of negative 1 to the power of 2 equals to
2.
okay, yeah, because negative 1. And then if we can see here, the indexnya or exponentnya is even number ya, Hakim ya. So that makes its like repetitive multiplicationnya kan will be negative 1 times negative 1, which negative times negative will always give a positive result. Okay. Yeah, and then negative here and also times negative kan it become positive 12. Yeah, or it's gonna be negative 4 plus 12 ya Hakim ya, which gonna equals to positive 8. Okay, that's correct ya Hakim ya. Okay, what about part B nih Hakim? X to the power of 3 minus x over y. How is it, Hakim, for yang part B? Can you solve it or do you have any difficulty for yang part B-nya nih, Hakim? Oh, negative 66. Okay. Okay, so for this, Hakim, yeah, you can give an explanation how you can get negative 66-nya nih, Hakim.
Because negative 4 cube minus negative 4 over 2 times negative 1 and equals to negative 4 over 2 is 2, so because negative 4 cube is negative 64, so negative 64 minus 2 is to negative 66.
Okay, so you do the exponent, yeah. As always, do the exponent first. X cube or x to the power of uh 3, yeah. That means it's make negative 4 to the power of 3. So negative 4 to the power of 3 is gonna be negative or positive, Hakim?
Negative.
Yeah, as you can see, it's a negative number with the odd power. Ya, odd number power ya. Jadi bilangan negatif pangkatnya kalau bilangan yang negatif yang pangkatnya ganjil lah berarti ya as we now the repetitive multiplication-nya will be negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 4 ya. Since there will be positive, remember ya Hakim ya, it's gonna be positive, and then we still have to multiply it by negative 4. So yeah, that's gonna be negative as the final resultnya ya, so negative 64. So here it's gonna be negative 64, and then for x-nya, yeah, x-nya you can also substitute by negative 4. Yeah, pay attention on the negative and negative nih, Hakim. Use even though it's a minus here, you need to also include the negative, yeah, since x is negative. Yeah, and then divide it by negative 1. Yeah, so negative 64 here. Yeah, and then the result for it, what is negative 4 divided by negative 1, Hakim? Is it going to be positive or negative?
Negative.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because there is a negative here, yeah. But negative 4 and negative 1-nya itself, it's gonna be positive, yeah. So it's gonna be, wait, oh yeah, it should be 2, yeah. 2y, yeah. So 2 times negative 1, okay. Ya, Hakim, ya. So, because negatifnya here, so kan it's give positive ya. Negative 4 divided by negative 2, it will be positive resultnya. But because it's minus here, so you need to put it minus here. Yeah. So, the final results, negative 64 minus 2 equals to negative 66. Okay, good job. Yeah, Hakim, that's correct. Okay. Oh, actually, okay. Yep. As you can see here, yeah, as you can see here, the answer for who is that? Malik's, yeah. It's gonna be Malik's homeworks. But turns out the answer is different nih for Malik homeworksnya nih, Hakim. Can you identify which step give siapa tuh namanya Malik's make Malik's give incorrect result ya Hakim ya. Wait. Okay, so I'm gonna need to write it again. Gimana ya biar dia jadi satu gini deh. Kelihatan nggak Hakim nomor 6-nya? Can you see number 6 completely nih Hakim? Yeah, this is the part of Malik's homework. Yeah, turns out it's already the answer, but it say Malik's homework is are incorrect. Yeah, for part A and part B-nya. Kan tadi Hakim already know what will be the correct answer. Now Hakim need to see which steps of Malik's homework is make his solution incorrect ya Hakim ya. Can you do that for this nih Hakim?
Yes.
Okay.
Ini bukan yang tadi, Miss.
Iya betul. It's the same question, but it's a same number, Hakim, but the different question. Nah, kan there is already answer here ya, Hakim ya. For part A is already input nih or already substitute the value-nya by x-nya equals negative 4 and y-nya equals negative 1. Tapi kan tadi Hakim jawaban yang A itu negatif 8. Ya, yang jawaban yang B itu adalah negatif 66 ya kalau nggak salah ya. Nah, so siapa namanya? Malik's have something wrong with his answer ya, because his answer is also wrong here nih Hakim. Hakim need to identify which one is you think it's make the answer or the final result is wrong nih Hakim. Yeah. So for the first one, kan Hakim can answer correctly for part A dan part B. For the second one, you need to identify which make the answer is wrong here. Which step or maybe you can see or is there any number that's make the calculation is incorrect ya? Pasti si Maliknya kan miss some step nih. Di mana nih kira-kira missing some stepnya? Okay, have you found any wrong steps nih from Malik's work, Hakim? It should be 8, yeah. And answer should be 8. But since Malik answered 16, that must be a mistake, yeah. You need to find its mistake, his mistake.
Because we got negative 4 times negative 1 squared without bracket.
Okay, so this gonna be should be with brackets, yeah, Hakim. Oh, yeah. It's actually over here, yeah. You need to write it using brackets nih. Actually, brackets need to be right over here. So negative 1 square, yeah, it's gonna be equals to positive, yeah. So it's gonna be positive 1. Yeah, since it's positive 1, negative 4 times 1, yeah, should be equals to negative. Yeah, Kim, yeah. So this different thing, yeah. Remember that I told you, yeah, Hakim, yeah. This gonna be different. Negative 1 with bracket square and negative 1 without bracket square. This is gonna be, since it's gonna be negative 1 times negative 1, it's gonna be 1. Yeah, means you include the negative in a calculation. While for this, 1 times 1, you don't include the negative in a calculation. You just put the negative at the end after you calculate 1 square. So it's gonna be negative 1. Yeah, okay. So Malik just do this instead, yeah, instead of the first one. Yeah, so her it make his steps wrong, yeah. Okay, what do you think about the part Bini? Yeah. Which do you think it's give
A
mhm.
for the negative 4 cube.
uh, oh, I see, yeah. Yes, negative 4 cube-nya ya, Kim, ya. Instead of writing it's negative 64, because should be negative 64, yeah. Okay, yeah, that's the correct answer. Negative 64 and negative 2 equals to negative 66. Okay, so it's about all about the mistake that we can also actually make, yeah, when we substitute the value. So you need really to be careful, yeah, to do the substitute the. Okay, okay. Hmm. Okay. Now you need to. Okay, maybe one more or two more problems here. Yes. Find A. Okay, you can solve for part A first, nih, Hakim. Work out the value. Here's we know the value for W is 3, and then the value for X equals to 2, Y equals to negative 4, and Z equals to negative 2. So if you calculate, yeah, as you can see the expression for A, what will be the result nih, Hakim?
A wait. 9 plus 6.
Oke, so W plus X-nya ya, Hakim, ya. Since W equals to 3 and X-nya equals to 2, 3, 2, it should be, what is it again? Sorry, for part A, Hakim?
9 plus 6.
9 plus 6. So 9 plus 6 equals to 15. Gitu, Hakim? 9 plus 6 equals to 15 gitu ya? Oke, so W-nya kan actually Hakim need just substitute here ya. 3 and then X-nya 2. Oh, I see. Hakim time it to the inside brackets. It's also okay sih Hakim ya. You can either times it first ya to the inside brackets, or you can substitute it first. Like you change W and X nya with 3 and 2, then you will get kan 3 plus 2-nya equals to 5. Yeah, so this gonna be a value for this expressions going to be 15. Yeah, or you can also just expanding first. Yeah, that means it's going to be 3W plus 3X. Then you will get 9 plus 6 equals to 15. Actually, it's give it same result, yeah, Hakim, yeah. So you're gonna just continue to which you think it's easier for you. Okay, Hakim. I think it's all good, yeah, Hakim, yeah. There's nothing a big difficulty, yeah, regarding to our lesson today. Okay, so yeah, that's all I think, Hakim. Do you have any question, Hakim, to our topic today?
No.
Okay, so if there is no question anymore, thank you very much, yeah, Hakim, yeah, for coming. I'm just gonna end today's lesson. Bye bye, Hakim. Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.